Hey everyone, it's Mark from East Coast Riata Parts, and I just wanted to make a quick video to tell you about a new feature on our website called Repair Center. If you go to our website, eastcoastriataparts.com, up at the top of the page, or on the menu if you're using the mobile version, you'll find a new link called Repair Center. The idea behind Repair Center is to have a comprehensive list of shops that will work on Riatas. We get calls every day about where can I take my Riata. Nobody wants to work on my Riata. So we figure we'd create a list. But we need your help putting that list together. So if you've had a shop either install parts from us in the past or had work done on your Riata that you were very satisfied with, I would really appreciate it if you'd go to the bottom of that page and submit the shop to us. We're looking to build a list for every state, many provinces in Canada, anywhere that you've had work on your Riata done, we want to know about it. So go to our website, eastcoastriataparts.com, and like I said, at the top of the page, you'll see a link called Repair Center. Just go there, and bottom of the page, you'll be able to submit it. If you've got any questions, feel free to call us anytime at 919-233-1973. And while you're on the website, feel free to check out our catalog. We have an ever-growing list of Riata parts available, from literature to electronics parts, Bluetooth radios, all kinds of cool stuff. So check it out while you're on there. And be sure to like and subscribe to our Facebook page and our YouTube channel for more Riata videos in the future.